We have a lot of columns. We have a column about Shulam Bayis, how to build very good relationships on
That's very blunt.
What?
That's very blunt.
It is.
And the VAD, is there a VAD that checks this?
That's a good question. It's a good question. When we started the business, going back to, he was pushing me to do it, and I was telling him it's a very challenging business. It takes a lot to pull it off. And he was insisting on it. So one day I said, you know what? I'll do a business plan. Exactly like an 18-month financial plan, a forecast. How much money do we need? What resources do we need to pull this off? If you still want to do it after I give you the plan, we will do it. And I gave him the plan, and he said, let's do it. He has a lot of confidence in his ability, and he's a big believer in Siyata Deshmaya, that, like we discussed before, I do my part, and Hashem will do the rest. Being afraid is not healthy and doesn't get you anywhere. Let's do what we need to do while still using the maximum hishtadlus and logic.